Welcome back to your Daily Dose, everybody. Today we've got quite possibly my last Lorcana unopening. If you guys do enjoy these videos, please leave a like down below. I've been on the hunt for Enchanted. I'm okay with getting some Legendary today, but hopefully we get an Enchanted pull in today's video. And if we do not get an Enchanted pull, this may be my last unopening. It really depends on all of you guys. If, let's say, we get over 2,000 likes on this video, I will do another Lorcana unopening. So it's really up to you guys. Slam the thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed this video. Some of you guys might not. It's okay to click off. But I really love these. Hopefully, we get a good pull. Let's jump into it. Here we go. All right, Peter Pan's Dagger. We're looking for Legendary and Enchanted. On your screen are all the rarity types. Flynn Rider. Come on. Here we go, the first 6, and now we're getting into the good stuff. Bashful, have that. Cruella. All right. Ooh, get out of here. Our very first one, and we have a Legendary. No shot. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We've got Belle. I don't think I have that, but I feel like I have a ton of Legendary Bells. That's a nice pull, and for the foil, we have Ray. The last one, this is the last card. Like the last card, the foil is, but the chance of being a Enchanted. Still looking for our first Enchanted, but that is a good start. A Legendary? Is this gonna be a Legendary in opening? I don't know. Go ahead, also comment down below if you do collect. I've kind of slowed down, but I figured we could make one more video, depending on how you guys like it. Now, I do know these aren't for everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you wonder why I do that, because after 6, this is when you can start having some good pulls. Getting a lot of uncommons. Ooh, a super rare? Wow, we are doing so good. Lady Tremaine. Oh my gosh, another super rare? King Louis? Could this be super rare, legendary, enchanted? No. Uncommon foil. Talk about a good start. Like, I definitely still love these cards, but the hype has definitely died down for me. I just gotta figure out how to play the game, and we'll go from there. A lot of common, uncommon. There's a rare. What is going on? Another super rare? What? Wow, we're on a roll. And then a common foil. I will take this. I don't think I've ever had this good of a start. The Wardrobe Common 1. These are all gonna be common again. So that's why I'm gonna go through these ones quick, because I pretty much have all of them, but here we go. We've got a uncommon Tigger, Pascal. Get it up to the rare here. Oh my goodness. Another super rare. Wow. And an uncommon foil. I'm feeling it, y'all. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. If you guys do collect, comment down below if you have an Enchanted and which one did you pull? Mickey Mouse, Peter Pan, Simba, Jafar, and boom, break. Here we go. Uncommon, 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 rare Stitch. That's a nice one. A super rare Stitch. All right, and then a rare foil. I don't know what's going on, but I have 0 complaints. This is going swell. And I have so many cards to go through. I actually just ordered a binder. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's cool down the look. 4, 5, and 6. Here we go with the good cards. Tiana, Merlin uncommon, Doc uncommon, rare. What? Super rare the Queen and a rare foil. We maybe, just maybe, after if we do not get an Enchanted in this, guys, help me out, get to 2,000. I don't know. There's just, if you don't do this, if you don't open cards, there's just this feeling, you know. It's great. It's great. 1, 2, 3. That's a cool one. 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. Pain. Uncommon. Uncommon. Rare Prince Charming. Oh my goodness. Another super rare the Queen. We already have that one. And then, a common foil. How many packs did we open? I don't know, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 super rares already. Only one legendary, but this is great. I stopped with doing more of these Lorcana because I do know a lot of you guys don't. It's not really what you guys want to see when you come to the channel. I do understand that, but I do enjoy doing this. I'm doing different things. I have been doing different things here on the channel, and that's kind of the point, just to see what kind of sticks, and I ultimately want to kind of do things that, you know, I love to do as well, like that are my hobbies. There we go. Uncommon. What is it? I don't have that one. Rare. Oh my goodness. Another super rare in a common foil. This is quite possibly the best unopening I've ever had. For sure. For sure. I feel like we're getting super rares like it's nothing. All right, 1, 2, Jessica, Joslyn, 3, 4, ooh, Jiminy, and 6. Here we go. Will we get the enchanted in this one? Card soldiers, mouse armor. We got another rare here. Rare and, okay. An uncommon foil. That was our first time, I swear, not getting a super rare, which is what's supposed to happen. You're not supposed to get super rares as much as we just got super rares. Also too, Lorcana cards have gone down in prices. If you see them at Target, buy them. All right, here we go. The 6 commons work together. I haven't seen that one. Gaston, Hakuna Matata, Captain Hook, and here we go. Uncommon, uncommon, uncommon. Ooh, rare. I think we have that one already. Let It Go, rare, and bummer, a common foil. I think the run of the super rares has gone away. We'll just let it go. By the way, these are a mix of the first chapter and obviously the new one, the Bloodborne. All right, those commons out of the way. That's a cool bell. Look at that one. That's nice art. Maximus. These are all uncommon. And a rare scar. Rare. And a common foil. Alright, that's kind of more like what I've been getting in the past there. I guess we just had a pretty hot start. Opening about like 24 packs today. Doing a lot here. That's a new one. I haven't seen that one. Scar. Oh, that's a cool scar. Timon. All right, here we go. Mickey Mouse, the Beast, uncommon, another rare here, and the foil is an uncommon. Tigger. Definitely cooling off. I still have faith here. I still have faith. Gotta have faith when it comes to this. Arthur, that's a nice one. All right, that's a pretty Rapunzel. Common, 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 common. Donald Duck, number 1. Minnie Mouse. Right? These are all uncommon though. Rare. Man, I kind of had a feeling this one was going to be good. But that really wasn't the best an opening there. This really is addicting, but I will say my addiction I feel like has kind of died off. But it still really is fun. Gumbo Pod, the Queen, Donald Duck, Bounce, uncommon, uncommon, rare, okay. Can we be a super rare? Nope, we're rare. Can we be a super rare? Oh my gosh! It is not a super rare, it is a legendary. What do we got, what do we got, what do we got? The Beast. I feel like all of our legendaries are Beller Beast. Quite literally too. And that's a Beast foil. That's a good pull. A legendary foil? I think that's like my first legendary foil ever. Wow. I wonder how much that is worth. It's gotta be worth something, right? You would think. Everything has gone down in value just because of the fact that everything is more available. Like you can pretty much get them at Target now, and Walmart, which is nice. That's a cool Jafar. Madam Mim, Pete, and the Cheshire Cat for our foil. The tough part is when you have as many cards as I do, is getting them organized. It is a tough part, for sure. Legend of the Sword in the Stone. Raya. Ray. Popsicle. Painting the Roses. Red. Magic Broom. That's a cool one. I think we have that one already. Binding Contract. Uncommon. Uncommon. Rare. I don't think I have that one yet. Dinner Bell. Jafar. Jafar for the foil. Common. Seriously though, if you have an enchanted, you are so lucky and I am so jealous. I still feel like no matter what, if I said this gets 2,000, I still really want to just get an enchanted and call it quits. But I feel like I have to spend like $1,000 in order to get that. I'm stuck. Tigger. Donald Duck. Owl. Hold Still. Magic Ring. All commons. Cogsworth. Uncommon. Doc uncommon. Admin. Ooh, there's a new one. Rare. Lumiere rare. And Radigan. Common foil. I feel like if I don't get an enchanted in this, I'm just gonna go to the store and buy some more. If I can find it, but at my stores, I think I'm around Disney, can't find anything. Can't find anything. I actually had these shipped from my mom and my sister. Blue Fairy, uncommon. Snow White, uncommon. 4 dozen eggs. Pete. Rare and, oh, okay, I'll take that. A rare foil. I feel like I'm going through these so quick. I actually don't have that many left. I think like 7. I don't like those odds. The Duke, common, common, common. Aladdin, common. Minnie Mouse, common. Friends on the Other Side. Right, here we go. Prince Philip. Donald Duck. Ugh, can never have too many Donald Ducks. Let It Go, rare. Zeus. And an Olaf uncommon. We really did have a hot start. Probably like the best start. Like we had so many super rares. I don't know how we even managed to do that. Please an enchanted. I just want an enchanted. Jasmine, Elsa, Healing, The Wardrobe, Duke, Aladdin, Aurora, uncommon, Goofy. Already have that one. Donald Duck, have that one. Just in Time. I don't think I have that one. It's a rare. The Genie, that's a beautiful card. Rare and a common foil. I feel like I've been saying uncommon and common as the same. I get them mixed up. What are you gonna do? I only have 4 left. I've gone through this so quick. All right, Chip the Teacup. Baloo. Boom. Tiana, that's a cool one. Judy Hopps, uncommon. Raya, uncommon. Jafar, uncommon. Madam Mim, rare. Let's go. Finally. Another legendary. But can we get an enchanted? I'll take the legendary. I will take that. What is it? It's going to be an uncommon foil. Bummer. Hey, at least we got another legendary. That is 3 for this whole go at it. Let me know if I should get into Pokemon. I feel like I just do this because it's Disney, you know? Jafar, Aladdin, Jasmine, Elsa, Healing Glow, Tinkerbell, uncommon, Simba, that's cool, Simba. Hades. I guess we're finishing strong. A Hades legendary. I do not have that. Do not have that. And a common foil. What do we got? 4 legendaries? It's pretty solid, right? I like to think. I definitely spent more on how much then these are valued. I'm gonna add it up and kind of tell you guys at the end here. I think I probably might have put it on the screen as well. All right, 1. That was a cool Donald Duck. 2. Yeah. Captain Hook. All right, uncommon. Rare. Mother Knows Best, uncommon. Oh, let's go! Hans, super rare. All right, don't have that one. Oh, let's go. A Mickey Mouse, super rare as well. All right, finally, back with some super rares. And then there was one. Just one more to go. All right, Merlin, 1. Bye, Felicia. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sword in the Stone, uncommon. Cinderella, rare. Okay. Tiana, super rare. I will take that. But I want a legendary and enchanted now. Man, that stinks. A common foil to end it. Let me do some math here and let's see how much we have here in cards. I think all this together was about $150 because the prices did drop. Kind of want to add them up real quick. Well, it really has been a while since I actually got into a Lorcana, and seriously, the only things that are worth money is the enchanted cards, and we're only talking like $150 per card. These super rares are literally pennies, and the enchanted ones, or sorry, the legendaries, they're about $10 to $15 per card, is because obviously there's more available to play. So what an investment, right? This might be the end of Lorcana unless you guys want to kind of see more of these openings. They're fun for me. Whether if they're not worth any money or not, it's fun. It's just something new to bring to the channel that I thought, hey, we'll see if it sticks. It sticks. If it doesn't, it really doesn't. But it really was kind of fun an opening. Maybe I get into Pokemon now and just, I don't really know. Opening cards is fun for me. It is fun. As far as the video goes, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Again, something totally completely different. It's raining out today as well, and kind of picking back on what I was saying the other days, Disney is now packed again. For like the first couple days leading up to Christmas, it really wasn't that packed, and that was kind of yesterday's video explaining it and showing it. It really wasn't as bad as the holidays have been in the past. Some people twisted my words, like Kyle's going back and forth. Its crowds are low, crowds are high. It's not as crowded as we've seen in the past, but now it's gearing on up to the end of the year, and it's getting there again. A lot of the wait times are super, super high. But from my experience, it's not as bad as it has been in the past. This might be the shortest video I've posted all year round, and we only have like 2 more days of the year, 3 more days in the year. It's just been a good one. Let me know if you guys like these Lorcana or you want me to dabble in anything else. There's still something I really want to do. I still want to buy like a mystery box online for like $500 and just unopen those. And that can be kind of like a new little thing that we do. I think it'd be cool. Maybe like $100 mystery box, see what's all in there. It's just kind of cool because everything in there is supposed to be $100 or so. I don't know. Something unique, something different, but short video today. Hope you guys understand, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think Casey and I are going to be having a date night, which is going to be fun. We haven't seen Casey in a while here on the channel. It's been, what? Well, it's been a couple days. See you guys tomorrow. Short video. Oh, and also one last thing. If you made it here, say you made it, but also, depending on how well this video does, this might be the last video that you'll ever see of Lorcana on my channel. So sad. So sad. We'll find out. It's up to the viewers. It's up to you guys.